Good morning everyone. In today's video I'll be teaching you the chapter called Algebra. The exercise which deals with heading Algebra is fundamental concept. You need to go through certain very important terms. The first one, you need to go through definition of algebra. Algebra is a generalized form of arithmetic. It is form of arithmetic which deals with mathematical statements, and it has numerals as well as letters. 5x. This 5 is called numeral and x is called variable, or we call it literal number. Literal, L-I-T-E-R-A-L, literal number. So when we are writing algebraic expression can be written with the help of numerals, or we can write it with the help of variables, literal numbers. 7y. 7 is numeral and y is literal number, or we call it as literal. The mathematical symbols are similar to that of arithmetic. We use plus for addition, minus for subtraction, multiplication, division. These are 4 fundamental operations we use in arithmetic, and these 4 fundamental operations can be used in algebra as well. There are certain terms related to algebra, the mathematical symbols. First one, if you have symbols like this means equal to. Example, 5x equal to y. 5 times x, numeral and literal number. When we multiply, we call it as 5 times x, or we call it as 5x is equal to y. If you have second one crossed like this, not equal to. So what do? We write 7y and we put this symbol and write 5x. It means that 7 times y is not equal to 5 times x, or we call it as 7y is not equal to 5x. Third symbol, I know you all are aware of this, it is called less than. 6x, and if you have this symbol 7y. 6x is less than 7y. Fourth one, something like this, not less than. 6x is not less than 7y. If it is crossed out. Fourth one, greater than, greater than. Similarly, you have number 6, 1 crossed, not greater than. Not greater than. Then you have 7, 1. 7, 1 is 3 dots. It means therefore. Therefore. And if it is just opposite number 8, 1, number 8, we call it as since or because. So these are mathematical symbols frequently used in algebra. Mathematical operations. Apart from these 4 mathematical operations, we have all these symbols frequently used in algebraic expressions. So you need to read the chapter and go through the symbols. Is there in page number 141. First, remember the definition. Algebra is generalized form of arithmetic, specific form of arithmetic, and we use numbers which are called numerals, and we use variables, they are called as literal numbers. Then you have symbols, mathematical operation symbols, and then symbols used frequently in algebra. Now we have very important things to remember. Mathematical statement of algebraic terms. Suppose I write A plus B is equal to 3. We can represent this one with the help of a statement, mathematical statement. There are so many different ways to represent mathematical statements. First one, A plus B is equal to 3 plus symbol, or we can write it as sum of A and B is equal to 3. Two different ways to represent an algebraic expression. Suppose you write 3x minus y is equal to 7. Look at this one. The first way, 3x subtracted by y is equal to 7. 3x subtracted by y is equal to 7. Or you can write y subtracted from 3x is equal to 7. Y subtracted from 3x is equal to 7. Third way to write difference between 3x and y is equal to 7. Look at this mathematical expressions. Algebraic expression can be changed into statements. 3x subtracted by y. 3x subtracted by y equal to 7. Or we can write y subtracted from 3x is equal to 7. Or we can write difference between 3x and y is equal to 7. Let's take third example to understand algebraic expression written in form of statements. 4x plus y not equal to 6. First way, y added to 4x is not equal to 6. First one, y added to 4x, y added to 4x is not equal to 6. Or we can write sum of 4x and y is not equal to 6. Second statement, four x is added to y is not equal to 4x added to, not is, 4x added to y is not equal to 6. So one algebraic expression can be represented in several different ways. Don't go through the answer at the back. You can represent positive sign means addition. Added means plus. Sum also stands for plus. Added means 4x plus y is not equal to 6. Third example. 5x plus 7y is greater than 6. Look at this one. Sum of 5x and 7x is greater than 6. Sum of 5x and 7x is greater than 6. Sum means plus sign. 5x added to 7y is greater than 6. Suppose you get minus sign here, and minus stands for difference. So you just change this. Difference of 5x and 7x is less than 6. Or you can write 7y subtracted from 5x is less than 6. One mathematical statement can be represented in several different ways. So you just need to read it, look at the symbols and write the values in the statement. Two x divides by 3y less than 6. It is division, so we write 2x divided by 3y is less than 6. Only one way to represent if it is division. 2x divided by 3y is less than 6. There is one exercise in the book. It is exercise 16a, and it is based on mathematical statements. Express each of the following statement in algebraic form. So you have mathematical statement, and that mathematical statement has to be written in algebraic form. The first one, the sum of 5 and x is equal to 7. Look at this one. Sum means plus sign. 5, you write 5 and x is equal to 7. First answer. Mathematical statement is written in algebraic form. Second one. Y decreased by 7 is equal to 9. Look at this. Y decreased by 7. So you need to write y first. Decrease means minus sign. 7. Y decreased by 7 equal to 9. Third example from the exercise. Y subtracted from 5x is less than 9. You have to be very careful with the statement given. Y subtracted from. So you need to write 5x first. Subtracted means minus y. Y subtracted from 5x less than 9. Less than 9. Algebraic statement, mathematical statement. Product of 8 and y is 15. Product, so you write 8 y. We don't put multiplication sign. We straight away write 8y. It means that 8 is multiplied by y. Is means equal to sign. 15. Product of 8 and y is equal to 15. Times x is greater than 19. Similar sum, only the statement is changing. 12 times 12. Time means multiplication. X greater than 19. 12 times x is greater than 19, or we can say that product of 12 and x is greater than 19. Divided by x is equal to 20. Mathematical statement, change it into algebraic form. 15 divided by means you write at denominator x equal to 20, or you can write 15 division sign x equal to 20, and when you change this you get the same mathematical statement. So please do try sum from exercise 16a, that is question number 1. You have to change given mathematical statement into algebraic form. Now examples for question number 2. For each of the following algebraic expression, write a suitable statement in words. 2x plus 9 equal to 19. I taught you how to write. There are so many different ways. 2x plus 9 is equal to 19, or sum of 2x and 9 is equal to 19. Either you can write first one or you can write down the second one. Suppose you change this minus. Minus means subtraction. Difference of 2x and 9 is equal to 90. Firstly, 9 subtracted from 2x is equal to 90. Nine x subtracted from 2x. Now, third one, 2x decreased by 9. 2x decreased by 9 is equal to 90. You can write this, you can write this, you can write this one. Suitable form, suitable statement. So these are suitable statements. y minus x less than 12. Look at this one. First be difference between y and x is less than 12. Difference between 3y and x is less than 12. Or you can write x subtracted from 3y is less than 12. Either you can write first one or you can write second one. Now, slightly difficult sum. 20 plus 2a minus x greater than 25. Look at this one. You can write sum of 20 plus 2a and sum of 20 plus 2a. No, you can't write this way. It's not sum, it's difference, minus sign. This is one particular term. X subtracted from the sum of 20 and 2a is greater than 25. X subtracted from sum of 20 and 2a is greater than 25. Or you can write like this: difference between the sum of 20 and 2a is greater than 25. First statement, second statement. So these are simple examples to change a given mathematical statement into algebraic form, or algebraic form can be written into mathematical statement. You need to read the statement carefully and understand which operation is given. It is plus, minus, multiplication or division. So please do try sums from the exercise 16a and keep practicing. Read the statement carefully. Thank you very much. Stay home, stay safe.